I heard the call, Cheryl. I do help a lot of preppers out, and a lot of times I get really like, I won't say who it is, but I've been trying to send them thank you cards, but his stupid government keeps ripping it up. At $5 a pop, a nice thank you card is horrible. I'm not going to name this person because I like him and I trust him, but I always help out or try to help out. I'm a fixed income. I'm kind of ill. I don't have that much time, so I got to fight. I'm sorry, but I will help you, Cheryl. Uncle Al is going to lose points, but I don't care. Now, if you can't find this book, because I have a stinking feeling Amazon had it, she has a YouTube channel. You could check it out if you want to. If you can't afford it or you can't find it at the library, give me your address and I'll try to mail it to you. I am on a fixed income, so I'm going to try to figure out a way to send this. I got a whole bunch of stuff I got to send to a lot of people, but A, they disappear. B, they're nuts. C, they're waving, God knows, guns, Cammy. You got the point. I do help people, but sometimes Uncle Alan gets screwed. So my door's open. Ask away any questions. Now, a lot of people out there are nuts. Uncle Alan looks nuts, but he isn't. I have to be careful because YouTube's and a few other people has been following Uncle Alan. I don't want to walk in my park and get run over by a truck and it says, "Oh, another suicide." I don't want that. I'm paranoid for a reason. For 40 years, it kept me alive. And I hear a lot of people, "Oh, you don't have to worry. The Democrats will save you." Bull. Okay? My door is always open. It's a little hard for me to get up sometimes, but I will help you out. Okay. Now, if you can't find this book by Amazon or any other means, give me your address. Uncle Alan, I'll get another one by some hook or crook. But Uncle Alan's kind of in pain right now, but I don't care. I'm Japanese, last of my breed. I am not. Uh, my half my family split. Half of Americans, other half pissed off at America. So I can understand both sides. And people forget that America was very racist from 1923 to 1932 and forced a lot of their friends to, Adolf, because Japan loves America. There is a stone in the Alamo. I don't know if a lot of people notice this, but there's a Japanese, it's written in Chinese because it was the style back then, but before America got racist, Japan loved Texas. But we got treated so bad, and some of the idiot rednecks, if they destroy that monument, Japan will go all out war. It's losing face. We are honorable people, and I hate the DNA test to keep saying I'm German or Irish or Scandinavian. Do I look Scandinavian or German? And they're scratching their heads off. They couldn't figure it out. But I did, and I did some research. So I hate 20. I hate these guys. I hate these guys. I'm in pain. I don't want to take any more pain pills because I'm already at my 260 level. And if I take any more, I'm going to have, but my door's always open. First time I did break my offset was call Wayne. I never talk to people over the phone because I'm paranoid. And two, I don't want to like, "Oh, Uncle Alan looked like he committed suicide." No, somebody shot him in the back with a 12 gauge. I'm that paranoid. Reason why Uncle Alan's still alive and I've been doing this for over, I think, 40 years. I'm not too sure. I have brain damage. I have about 7 things that's going to kill me. I never turn away people if they need help. But Uncle Alan's starting over again. A lot of you kids haven't seen what happened to Uncle Alan. Okay, I survived Stockton. My retirement plot was burnt to the ground and blown up by FEMA because it was part of wildfire. I'm mad as hell at that. My other home is under 15 feet of water. I'm still mad at that. Okay? I have a lot of things, but I never turn away anybody. So, if you need a book or advice, my door's open. Damn it. Uncle Alan's tired. Sorry, kids. I got notes. Okay. This person right here, Cheryl Hirsch. If somebody is near Cheryl in, I think, Indiana, you got an extra working sewing machine, please go over to her house and help her out. Now, I have a friend of mine in England who's dog sick. I love dogs. I love kids. And when I see an animal or a kid in pain, it drives me nuts. So please check out JJR's Survival. Malcolm Bowler. He's selling his stuff on eBay. He's a very proud person. He's selling his books to save his dog. So check out Malcolm Bowler at JJR Survival. I don't care what people think of me. I do not care what they comment. But what I do care is women and children and a lot of people. Now, Uncle Alan's smart and Uncle Alan's kind, but Uncle Alan's getting tired and sick. Okay? Now, I don't know why Hubble's cat didn't get it. I hate his government. But give me your address and I'll try to send you some information. I'm not a doomsday prepper. I'm an old time survivalist. I'm old, I'm tired. I don't have any teeth left. I hurt like hell. My opposite's kind of weird, but it kept me alive. I don't want to end up like my friend, it's not Thomas, another friend in Fresno. They found him hog-tied and 17 butcher knives in his back. So that's why I'm really paranoid. My door is always open to any women, children, anybody who wants to ask questions. Not a problem. I do hate trolls and I hate racists. And a lot of kids, a lot of white kids nowadays, I'm trying to think, sorry. I wrote this down, but Uncle Alan's tired and he's kind of sick. I was going to do a video on institutionalized racism, but a lot of people are very sensitive to that term, but they're doing it and they don't know why. I have a friend of mine in Canada, Anna Loza. Please check out her video on racism in Vancouver. Now, if you're in Canada, there's certain provinces are like the Deep South. If you're a person of color, Mexican, or black, they will throw you back to the car. They won't hit you in the face, but they will pump fists into your chest and gut. Now, Uncle Alan's sick because he has internal damage. If they did that, they have a dead Asian person in the back of their car, and they'll probably shoot a black Canadian saying, "Hey, he did it." I know Canada. They offered me a good deal, but I said no. Have honor. So I'm really pissed at a few things. But if you're women and children, I will help because I'm Japanese old school, not the idiots of World War II, not the idiots of World War I, old school. And if you need help, I'm here. I'm kind of sick, so excuse me. I'll catch you later, folks. And don't forget, check out my favorite prepper, West Survival. Just in time prepping tonight, special time. Cheryl's going to be there, and I think it's 7 o'clock Mountain Time. Uncle Alan's not feeling good because I haven't slept for 2 days. Memorial Day and Veterans Day drive me crazy. So I gotta think that's the only thing keeping me up for the last 18 to 20 hours is pure willpower. People are disturbing me during my prayers. I don't buy stuff. I don't trust people. I'm paranoid, but I do my prayers for the dead. It's either